Hello and welcome to Virtual Reality Adventure. Today we are going to unbox the headset that is just there on the table. It's known as Gear VR with controller. It's from Samsung and Oculus collaboration. It also depends on a mobile device, so it's a mobile based VR headset. You need to put the mobile inside this front panel and you will be able to enjoy the VR from the headset. It has some more functionality than the Google Daydream one because it has a trackpad added on top of the headset and also some extra functionalities on the controller. It's powered by Oculus, so the App Store from Gear VR and the App Store from Oculus Go are the same, so you can play all the apps that are available on that store via this device. You just need a compatible compatible mobile device that will be able to play these API dependent development related apps. So the mobile device that we are going to use is Samsung S8 for the lab that we are collaborating with. As you can see here in the back side of the box, it says compatible with Galaxy Note 8, S8, S8 Plus, S7, S7 Edge, and a few more to the S6 series. So let's start the unboxing. As you can see, this is the front of the box. There is the controller, there is the headset. It says Samsung on the top here and the Oculus logo is here, powered by Oculus. And in this side of it, it has a cinematic wide view, 360-degree experience. This is a 3DOF, meaning 3 degrees of freedom headset. You don't have any room scale tracking. It just tracks your XYZ position of your head. As all the mobile based mobile device dependent headsets, except for the newer ones, those even the Oculus Go is actually a 3DOF device. The Oculus Quest and the newer headsets are 6DOF. So let's see the box. In the underneath here you have some health and safety warnings and some specification related details and some logos. This is the side, this is some on the other side, this is the back side. Go beyond imagination. This is the front side. Here's some small clips to carry it. It's a very beautiful box. So let's start the unboxing. There is just some protection on this side, and on this side, any side you can use to open. Let's open from this side. Here it's a symbol that you can pull it from here. Okay, it's a very sticky situation. Yes, I've got it. Okay. Oh, just everything just stripped off the beautiful black color from the box. Okay, so let's open up it. The box is out and this has a small plastic casing. As you can see, it doesn't have anything, so we can put away the box. It has some plastic covering on top. Let's put that away. Let's see this beautiful packaging. Here is the Samsung Gear VR headset. So as you can see, the headset is here and there is a box here. It's much better than much better quality than the Google Daydream one because it has much more functionality. Let's take out the box first. What are there inside? Maybe the controller is here. Let's open the box. There is some paperwork. As you can see here, you can just slide off this small wrapping. There is this book manual. All the things that you can do and can do or should follow this manual. There is also term and condition and health safety information. Let's put those away and let's see what's inside. Okay, there is this controller here. You can see a very slick controller, even ergonomic one, which slides on top of your hand like this. You can pull the trigger here, and also a trackpad. It also clicks. There is 3 different buttons: home button, back button, and the volume rocker buttons. Oh, it needs batteries to power it. The Google Daydream one had a charger. So let's close this one first now. Put this on the side. Let's see what's in the box. There is the the supportive or the head top bands are extra, and they are given inside the box here. This is the top part, I think, and this is the back side part. We'll put together the headset in a few minutes. Let's put this aside for now. And what's more inside, there is a connector, extra connector if you need the USB micro USB support for your headset or the devices like Samsung S7 or S6. You have micro USB there, but now we all have moved to USB Type-C. Let's put that aside too. There is some there is even a controller small protective wrapping that you can put around your wrist, so you do not throw away the controller. Let's put that aside too. What's more inside this? Okay, there is something that I just dropped. Okay, there is even a small space to put the controller inside alongside your headset. We'll put the headset together in a few minutes. There's also batteries, so you do not need to buy the batteries for your first time of play. It may last longer than maybe 20-30 days of playing, 2 to 3 hours a day. We'll test it extensively later, so stay tuned for our future videos. Let's put the box away with the of course the manuals. Put it away. So let's look at the headset itself. There is the headset. It doesn't have the band. You have to attach the band separately that are there in the box. So here is the headset. It doesn't have any lens protective shields. They're open, so be careful with those. And here is the soft head pad. It's actually removable. It has velcros. Even have a proximity sensor there, and also it has what is this? I think it has a small distance adjustment for adjustability of your focus. Let's open up this wrapping. As you can see, it has a volume here too. It's plus minus, and oh no, it's not volume, it's S. The one I just said is focus. It pushes the casing forward. As you can see here, it's over this carving here. If you just close it, it goes down, so you can push the focus or the mobile device forward or backward to focus on the image more clearly based on your eyes. These are fixed, these things. So what is more, yes, here is the trackpad that you can touch or click, select. It's a sensitive one, and also has a home button or back button. So even if you do not use the controller, you can also control the whole internal UI with this trackpad and these 2 buttons, home button and the back button. Okay, let's start assembling all the parts together. Let's take this off. Okay, it's off. So this is a larger port. This has 2 clips. I think that should go this way. It should go from inside here. 1. Okay, it's tight fit. So let's just simply fit that one there, and this one will go inside here. Okay, so there you go. So this is the back support and this is the top support. You will have to do some fiddling on this one. It's, as you can see, there is a small aluminium like rod in that. What you have to do is you need to take this clip out from here and put this aside, and you need to put this one right now. After you have put it this way, then you can just pull it inside, so you will have this. It will not actually put away because it clicks in. Now you have to put this over like this, and you have to take this one part here, like this one here, or you can go wrap it around like this. It's your choice, but I like to put it like here, straight as it is there. Then you have to put this one inside here, take it inside, and you can adjust the top of part of your head like this. So there you go, you have fully finished the covering. Now you can take this one off too. This is just a covering. You can put the mobile inside this small port, that's the USB Type-C port, and then you have to click it inside, and you will put in that. Then after that you can just click that in. It will be firm, so don't worry about it, like this. But first put the mobile inside here, then click the mobile, then click this one, and it will be firm. And then you can put the top covering here too, or you don't need this one. This is just a placeholder for your mobile. So that's it for the unboxing video of from Samsung Gear VR. This is the 2018 version, I think. The previous one was white and this one is black. So thanks for watching. We will be covering it with the Samsung S8 mobile, so stay tuned for those videos too. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in our other videos.